Want to start making money online, but don't know where to begin? What if I told you that you already have access to a tool that can help you earn as a freelancer, even if you've never worked online before? That tool is ChatGPT. With the right strategy, you can turn it into a full-blown freelance income machine. No fancy degree, no years of experience, just your creativity, a bit of hustle, and AI doing the heavy lifting. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to start, grow, and scale a freelance business from scratch. Then offer blog writing services with ChatGPT. Let's start with one of the easiest freelance gigs, blog writing. Businesses, bloggers, and websites are always looking for fresh content, but many don't have the time or writing skills to do it themselves. That's where you come in. Use ChatGPT to generate high-quality blog posts on a variety of topics. You can offer packages like one 1,000-word article per week or monthly blog content. Plan. Start by asking clients what topics they want, then use ChatGPT to outline the post, write it in their preferred tone, and polish it up. It can write blog intros, headers, and even SEO-friendly content. Set up a profile on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Contra, and list your service. At first, offer competitive rates to build reviews. As you gain experience, raise your prices and watch the freelance blog money roll in. 9. Create social media content for brands. Businesses need content for Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, you name it. Most of them either don't have the set time or struggle with creating catchy, consistent posts. Use ChatGPT to craft content calendars, captions, hashtags, and even call to action lines. You can offer packages like 30 days of Instagram captions or weekly Twitter threads. Once you get a client, ask them about their brand tone. Funny, professional, inspiring, and tell ChatGPT to match it. You can also batch create content by generating a full month's worth of posts in a single session. To add value, pair this with a design tool like Canva. That way, you're offering both captions and visuals. Clients love done-for-you services, and this combo makes your offer more powerful and more profitable. 8. Become a ghostwriter for eBooks. Ghostwriting is where you write for someone else, and they put their name on it. This can be super lucrative, especially when it comes to eBooks. Many entrepreneurs, coaches, and creators want to publish eBooks to build authority, but they don't know how to write one. That's where you step in with ChatGPT as your co-writer. You can ask the client for their topic and key points, then use ChatGPT to structure the book and fill in the content. Once the draft is ready, edit it for clarity and style. Then format it into a nice-looking PDF using Canva or Google Docs. Ghostwriting gigs pay anywhere from $300 to $3,000, depending on the length and topic. You only need a few solid clients to make this a steady income stream. 7. Sell resume and cover letter services. People are always applying for jobs, and many of them hate writing resumes and cover letters. With ChatGPT, you can offer a fast, affordable solution that actually works. Ask the client for their work history, job description, and career goals. Then use ChatGPT to craft a clean, personalized resume and a compelling cover letter. You can fine-tune the wording, make sure it sounds confident and professional, and format it in a polished layout. Offer this service on job platforms or promote it on LinkedIn, where job seekers are already looking for help. You can even sell resume templates as digital products for extra income. 6. Provide YouTube scriptwriting services. YouTubers are always looking for help creating content. Many of them have ideas, but struggle to turn those ideas into full scripts. With ChatGPT, you can offer script writing services for video creators. Ask the client for their video topic and preferred tone, educational, funny, motivational, whatever they need. Then let ChatGPT help you build a complete, engaging script with an intro, main points, and a strong call to action. You can even offer bonus services like writing video descriptions, timestamps, and SEO titles. Video creators love this because it saves them time, and you earn money while ChatGPT helps you do the heavy lifting. 5. Offer email marketing services. Email marketing is still one of the most powerful tools for businesses, but writing emails that actually get opened and clicked? That's tough. With ChatGPT, you can create engaging email sequences, welcome emails, product launch messages, and more. Ask clients what they want to promote, And ChatGPT will help you build emails that are fun, persuasive, and straight to the point. You can sell this as a one-time package, like a 5-email welcome series, or offer ongoing email writing services. Bundle it with newsletter planning or list building tips to add more value. 4. Translate and localize content. If you're fluent in more than one language, this one's for you. ChatGPT can help you translate and localize content for global clients. Let's say a business wants to translate their website from English to Spanish. You can run the content through ChatGPT for an initial translation. Then refine it with your own language skills to make sure it sounds natural and culturally accurate. This combo of AI speed and human accuracy makes you super efficient. And since translation jobs are in high demand, especially in business and e-commerce, this can turn into a serious income stream. 3. Start a freelance newsletter. Service newsletters are back in style. Creators, businesses, and influencers are using them to connect with their audiences. But writing consistent, quality content is tough. Offer to write weekly or bi-weekly newsletters using ChatGPT. You can generate topic ideas, write short articles, create headlines, and even include product recommendations or curated links. Use platforms like Substack, Beehive, or MailChimp to organize and send the content. You can charge a monthly fee for ongoing service. It's predictable income, and once you build a routine, it only takes a few hours per week. 2. Create product descriptions for online stores of commerce businesses live and die by their product descriptions. The better the copy, the more likely people are to buy. But writing hundreds of descriptions? That's exhausting. That's where you step in. Offer product description writing as a service. Use ChatGPT to create short, persuasive copy for each product, highlighting benefits, features, and how it solves the customer's problem. You can work with Etsy sellers, Shopify stores, Amazon merchants, or drop shippers. This service is easy to scale. The more templates you build, the faster you work, and the more clients you can take on. 1. Launch your own freelance writing agency. Once you've mastered a few of these services, why not scale it into something bigger? Start your own freelance writing agency, powered by ChatGPT. Here's how it works. You take on the role of project manager. You use ChatGPT to create the first drafts of client work, then hire editors or proofreaders to polish it. You handle client, communication, and delivery, while the AI handles the heavy lifting. This lets you take on more work than one person could handle, and grow your income beyond trading hours for dollars. As you get more clients, you can build a team, increase your prices, and turn freelancing into a full-time business. It all starts with one tool and one client. Bonus tips: how to get clients. You might be wondering, okay, this all sounds great, but how do I actually find clients? Here are some quick tips. Start with freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Create a clean, professional profile with examples of what you can do. Use LinkedIn to connect with small business owners, coaches, and creators who need help with content. Post on Reddit or Facebook groups related to freelancing, digital marketing, or your niche. Cold email. Small businesses offering a free sample or discount in exchange for a testimonial. Create a simple portfolio using Notion or Canva to showcase your work. Start small, stay consistent, and treat it like a real business. So there you go. 10 ways to turn ChatGPT into your own freelance income machine. Whether you want to make some extra money on the side or build a full-time freelance business, the tools are already in your hands. Pick one idea, try it out, and see where it takes you. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just start. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.